Hey there fellow WordPress webmaster, it's Christian from RackNerd and welcome to another exciting tutorial on RackNerd TV. In our recent tutorial, we have discussed how to install CloudPanel on Alma Linux and Ubuntu OS. Today, we are going to dive into installing WordPress with CloudPanel. So if you're looking for a seamless and efficient way to set up WordPress on your server, you are in the right place. But before we begin, make sure that you already have CloudPanel installed in your Ubuntu server and a domain name pointed to your server IP address to follow along. If you're still in the process of setting up your VPS hosting, check out racknerd.com for reliable solutions. You can also take a look at our comprehensive guide on how to install CloudPanel on Ubuntu, as well as how to point your domain to your server IP for a smooth setup process. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into it. WordPress is the go-to platform for building websites, and CloudPanel is an excellent control panel for managing your server. Combining the two makes for a powerful and user-friendly solution. Now let me share my screen here and let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your CloudPanel dashboard at the location on screen with the credentials that you have created during the CloudPanel installation. Once you are in, the first step is to add your domain. So navigate to the Sites section and click on the Add Site button. You will then be directed to a page where you can select to install WordPress. Let's choose that and fill out the details as you'd prefer, but you are totally free to follow through my guide if you are not familiar. Just make sure to use your own domain. Now, once done, click the Create button to start the installation process. CloudPanel will take care of setting up the necessary configurations and install WordPress automatically for you. Once the installation is complete, make sure to copy the credentials for your created WordPress site and now access your WordPress site via your preferred web browser. And as you can see here, we have installed WordPress with CloudPanel. And before I forget, we don't have SSL installed. But don't worry, CloudPanel provides a simple way to add a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate to secure your WordPress site. Just head back to the dashboard and under the Sites section, navigate to where the domain is and click on the Manage link under the Action column. Now head over to the SSL/TLS section, click the Action button, also click the Now Let's Encrypt certificate. You will be directed to the SSL generation page of CloudPanel. Also, make sure that your domain's DNS is pointed to your server's IP as discussed in our older tutorial, and wait for it to propagate before you generate an SSL to avoid further issues. Once ready, just hit Create and Install, and CloudPanel will generate an SSL for your domain without any additional steps. Now, let's check out our domain to confirm the SSL has been installed correctly, and it did, so congratulations. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to install WordPress with CloudPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more self-hosted WordPress tutorials. And remember to explore racknerd.com for hosting solutions tailored to your needs. With that said, thank you for tuning in today and happy WordPress hosting.